what really drains your credit report, and how to fix it. The number one silent killer of credit scores? High credit utilization. That's how much of your available credit you're using. If your card has a $5,000 limit and you're carrying a $4,000 balance, you're at 80% utilization. Anything above 30% starts hurting you. Above 50%, major damage. Even if you pay on time, your score isn't just about payments, it's about risk, and high balances signal risk. Quick fix. Pay balances down below 30%. Below 10% is ideal for maximum score boost. A single 30-day late payment can drop your score 60 to 100 plus points, and it stays on your report for 7 years. The later it is, 60 days, 90 days, the worse the damage. Payment history makes up the largest portion of your credit score. Even one missed payment matters. Quick fix. Set up auto pay for minimum payments. Never miss the due date, even if you can't pay in full. Credit isn't emotional, it's mathematical. The biggest drains are high balances, late payments, collections, maxed out cards, too many applications. The good news? Every single one can be improved with discipline and strategy. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your biggest credit question. Your credit score is fixable, but only if you understand what's hurting it.